Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? This is Dan. I'm going to do a walk around of my Can-am 2018 Trail 1000 for you. Let's go ahead and get it back out. Nope.
Alright, everybody, this is cameraman Dan.
This is cameraman Brandon. Little technical difficulty.
We got Dan here. He can't start his Can-am.
Is this still recording?
Yeah, I just started recording again.
Well,
so I think we're going to have to jump start it.
A little pause and delay. We're going to have to jump start it to get out in the garage. Hi YouTube, this is Dan. I'm just going to do a top 3 video of the accessories and modifications for your Can-am Maverick Trail. So we're going to go ahead and go over number 1, which for me is going to be the tire upgrade. Go ahead and zoom in on that for me. So these are Tusk Terabyte tires on a Tusk tire. The Tusk Terabyte is a 30 by 10 by 14. That's on all 4 corners. It's got good, healthy, meaty treads. It's very good for trail riding. It's one of the top rated tires on Rocky Mountain. That's why I decided to go with it after a bunch of research off of everything I've seen online. They're mounted on, let's see if I get this right, Wasatec beadlock tires. You can see the beadlock on the outside. That's on all 4 tires again. So the Wasatec tire, like I said, is beadlocked, but we'll go up front and show you what the patterns look like from the front. So you have both tires. Like I said earlier, all 4 tires are the same size, all 4 around. Let's go ahead and work our way to the back. So, as you can see, we got that on all 4 tires. Our spare tire is actually a stock tire. We figured that was better than no tire, so we wanted to, well, let's do this on here. It's actually mounted with the Can-am rear tire rack. Just bolts on real easy, and then the other 2 are just studs for it to kind of line up there. Alright, so the next up, the top modification, number 2 for me, is going to be the winch. Everyone's always asking about what type of winches you want to go with. So this is actually a Badlands 3500 from Harbor Freight. I know people are going to chuckle and say Harbor Freight, that's kind of shitty. I'll tell you what, this thing got me out of 3 mud holes that were waist deep. If I didn't have it, I would have been up shit creek without paddle. I would have been stuck there till someone else came and got us out. I didn't actually mount this, it came on it when it was there, but to me it does look like it mounts straight on. This isn't an aftermarket winch plate. It does bolt straight onto it, as you can see right here and on this side. But other than that, this winch has worked perfectly for me. And you just know, just follow the basic rules of winching when you're getting stuck and you need to get yourself out, and you'll be fine. I'm definitely happy it's on here. Like I said, I got stuck the second time out with it, and if I didn't have it, I would probably still be sitting there because it was a deserted trail. So the last of my top 3 mods for your Can-am or your side-by-side, doesn't have to be Can-am, is going to be the light accessories. So up front here we have a small 48 watt LED bar. It's just a night light off of Amazon. It was about 35 bucks. But if you can see up top here, we also have another night light. This one is a curved 32-inch bar. I actually have videos on installing it, so go ahead and check those out. I'll put a little card up in the corner for you. This one's 180 watts, so it's about 4 times as strong, right? Did I do that math right? 4 times as strong as the other one. It's curved, so when you're in it, it throws out around you as well instead of just straight in front of you. And it's actually got, if you can see, it's got floodlights on the side, and then these are beam lights, so it's kind of more of a focused straight in front of you. So that's how it gets that flood effect. And the third light accessory that we have, we'll go around the back here, is actually the Tusk lighted whips from RockyMountain.com. So these guys, you can see, are flexible. So if you hit a tree or a branch or something as you're driving down the trails, they will bend, they won't shatter. I've actually tested these by accidentally backing out of the garage, and they bent pretty dang far, and I thought they were done for, but they work perfectly fine. We picked up the Dragonfire mounts for them, so it's just a quick little detach right here. So you just pop that up and it comes right off. So there's a little detach right there, and then you just pull this, push it up, and it will slide right back on, and you're locked. They have a waterproof plug, as you can see over here. Right here, this screws into the other side. You line up the 3 prongs, like that, if I can get it. Maybe line them up. There we go. Oh, see, look there, it lights up. And then you screw that on, you're good to go. These are really good. These are really good for riding at night in the sand dunes. These are really good for night rides in the woods or trails. People will definitely see you coming. You don't have to worry about it. Even during the daylight and dusk, you know how quick it gets dark in those woods. So these really help light up and give you a little bit of extra visibility. Coming around those blind turns, someone might see your lights through the foliage as they're driving, and that'll give them just enough warning to slow down before they turn around the corner and hit you. Thanks for watching. That's my video on my take on the top 3 modifications to your side-by-side. We went over the tires and the wheels, the LED lights, and then the winch up front. Like and subscribe if you want to follow along and follow us on our journey.